وبركاته. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. I begin in the name of Allah, the most merciful, who blessed us with knowledge and wisdom. Today, I am about to speak on a topic that deeply connects with our faith, our religion, humanity in Islam. Islam, the religion of peace and mercy, is not limited to rituals and worship. It is a complete way of life that guides us to live with kindness, compassion and justice toward all human beings. Islam teaches that every human being is honorable. Allah says in the Holy Quran, indeed, we have honored the children of Adam. Surah Isra, chapter 17, verse 17. This means that every person, regardless of race, religion or status, deserves respect and dignity. In the eyes of Allah, humanity is not based on wealth or power, but on piety and good deeds. The most honored of you in the sight of Allah is the most kindest of you. Surah Hujra, chapter 49, verse 13. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, declared in his last sermon that no Arab is superior to a non-Arab and a non-Arab is superior to an Arab. No white is superior to a black and no black is superior to a white except by piety or taqwa. This message of equality and brotherhood stands as a timeless lesson for humanity that all humans are one family created by one Allah. The Prophet, peace be upon him, was described in the Quran as a mercy to all the world. Surah Anbiya, chapter 21, verse 107. He showed compassion not only to humans but also to animals and the environment. Once he said, the merciful are shown mercy by the most merciful. Be merciful to those on earth, and the world above the heavens will have mercy on you. Islam encourages to serve others selflessly. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, the best of people are those who are most beneficial to others, helping the poor, feeding the hungry, caring for orphans, and supporting the oppressed. These are not just acts of charity, but acts of worship in Islam. A true believer forgives and responds to evil with good. Allah commands in the Quran, repeat evil with that which is better, and you will see that the one with whom you had in mind will become as a closer. Surah Fusilah, chapter 21, verse 31. This verse shows that humanity grows when we overcome hate with love and anger with patience. Islam's message of humanity is universal. It is for Muslims and non-Muslims alike. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, said, none of you truly lives until he loves his brother. For he loves himself. This is the golden rule of humanity, to treat others as we wish to be treated. So, dear brothers and sisters, Islam beautifully unites virtue of Allah,